Welcome to Relieve, a gentle space created just for you, where the weight of financial stress can begin to loosen, where the mind can soften, and where the heart can remember its natural state of hope and clarity. Open your awareness now to this moment and to what you carry inside this space. I see you. I feel the worry that traces lines around your eyes and tightens your jaw. I hear the endless mental loop of rent, credit card balances, student loans, medical costs. I know the pressure of this weight on your chest, the way it steals your sleep, shortens your breath, and leaves you feeling utterly trapped. I understand, and I want you to know with all my heart, you are not alone. You are not your debt. Your worth is infinite. This meditation will not make money appear overnight. It does not dismiss the importance of your financial reality. What it offers is far deeper and more lasting. It is a sacred space to breathe, a moment to drop the burden, a vital shift inside your being. As you breathe, just notice how worry can feel like a closing. It shrinks your field of vision. It slows the flow of inspiration and ease. It separates you from your own deepest resources and inner wealth. But now, simply invite in calm. Feel your energy rise, softening your edges, making you lighter. From this light and spacious place, clarity effortlessly begins to open. New possibility begins to whisper its name to you, and you remember the magnetic energy within you, the energy that attracts quiet abundance and the ease of a nourishing flow. So now, allow yourself to gently settle. Find a position where your body feels completely supported. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale gently. Again, inhale deeply, filling your body with the knowing of your own calm. And exhale slowly, releasing the heaviness of the hour. With each breath, allow your body to soften. Your shoulders melt down and away from your ears. Your jaw gently unclenches. Your chest becomes lighter. Your belly softens and relaxes. Your legs grow wonderfully heavy, whispering softly within you, "It is safe to let go now." Imagine your financial worries not as solid walls, but as dark clouds gathered above you. They feel heavy, yes, but they are only passing weather. They are not your essence. Breathe in calm. Exhale one of those clouds away into the vast sky. Breathe in peace. Exhale another cloud away, feeling the air clear. Breathe in light. Exhale the weight, the burden, the tension. Notice now, the clouds begin to part, breaking open, and through them pours a soft, luminous golden light. This is hope. This is clarity. This light reminds you, you are more than your debts, more than your bills. You are a whole, worthy, and resourceful human being. If it feels right, place one hand gently over your heart. Whisper these truths softly, deeply. I am not defined by debt. I am open to perfect clarity. I am worthy of profound abundance. Now see before you a doorway. Behind you lies the desert of worry and strain. Ahead, through this doorway, is sanctuary. Step through. The air instantly shifts. It is cooler, lighter, easier to breathe. You hear the sound of water flowing gently and endlessly. You see a fountain, clear and bright, an endless stream. The earth beneath your feet feels solid and steady. This is your haven, a place within you that is eternally calm and safe. Breathe deeply here. Inhale abundance. Exhale scarcity. Inhale ease. Exhale fear. Inhale flow. Exhale resistance. And as you rest in this place of calm, repeat softly within yourself, I am capable of mastering my finances. I trust myself to make divinely wise decisions. Opportunities are unfolding for me now. I am moving toward freedom and deep peace. I attract abundance with a gentle ease. Now, let gratitude rise from your core. Think of one simple blessing you already possess. Be it a safe roof, a nourishing meal, or a kind word received today. Whisper gently, "For this I am grateful." Think of one strength within you, be it your courage, your resilience, or your unwavering will to keep going. Whisper, "For this I am grateful." Think of one hope for the future, even a flicker of light on the horizon. Whisper, "For this I am grateful." Notice how gratitude gently dissolves the worry. Notice how hope glows like a steady, gentle flame in the center of your chest. Warm, protected, and reliable. Take 3 final breaths with me now. Inhale abundance. Exhale lack. Inhale wealth. Exhale fear. Inhale freedom. Exhale release. Rest here in stillness a moment longer. You are safe, whole, strong. Know this truth deep in your soul. You are walking forward with courage, and peace will meet you along the way. May your mind feel clearer. May your heart feel lighter. May you move through life with a quiet hope and powerful strength. Every time the worry returns, let this practice be your sanctuary. Do not allow the spiral of lack to anchor itself in your being. Come back here to release, to rise again, and to step back into the clarity and the abundance that awaits you. Take care. Relieve.